There are moments in life when the weight of the world presses down on us. The bills pile up, the debts grow heavier, and the voice inside whispers, "You will never make it out." I know this voice. I live with it. But I also know it is a lie. I am in debt. I work long hours. I fight to keep up with rent, car payments, credit cards, and sometimes I feel like I am drowning. But this is not a confession of weakness. This is a story of strength, because what I face, many of you face too. And like the Stoics taught, every struggle is an opportunity to rise. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." I cannot control inflation. I cannot control interest rates. But I can control how I respond. I can cut what I don't need. I can hustle harder. I can keep walking forward, one step at a time. Epictetus taught, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Debt is not the end of me. It is a test. Every payment I make is proof I have not surrendered. Every sacrifice builds my discipline, and discipline is wealth no bank can repossess. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Yes, it hurts to sacrifice. Yes, it burns to work weekends, nights, side jobs. But just as steel is forged in fire, I am forged in this struggle. I will not come out weaker. I will come out unbreakable. I remind myself every day, I am not a victim of debt. I am a student of discipline. I am building habits of strength, clarity, and endurance. And if you are struggling like me, with money, with doubt, with the pressure of survival, hear this. You are not powerless. You are not alone. You are being tested, and you can rise. The world wants you to believe you are trapped. But the Stoics whisper across the centuries, no chain is stronger than the mind that refuses to accept defeat. Your rent does not define you. Your credit score does not define you. Your debt is not your identity. What defines you is your courage, your endurance, your refusal to quit. If this story gives you strength, remember, there are countless others walking the same road. Share this video with them. Be the reason they don't give up. Subscribe to this channel for more Stoic wisdom and stories of resilience. Comment your struggle below. Let this be a place where we rise together. As Marcus Aurelius said, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one, be strong, be enduring, and never give up.